What's going on, guys? Marc Guberti here. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. It's one of the biggest milestones people go after on YouTube, and it is that milestone you need if you want to be monetized on YouTube. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in a given year. So not only does it help you with the monetization, but having 1,000 subscribers, that's an audience where you could promote your products to and get more sales. So the first thing you have to think about for getting 1,000 subscribers is, what are you going to do outside of YouTube? So many people, they just focus on YouTube and winning on the algorithm on YouTube, hoping your video takes off, keyword research. All these things are good, but if you are not leading people from other platforms to YouTube, you are making it harder for yourself to hit those milestone goals. So if you want to grow on YouTube, it's not just about growing on YouTube. It's also about growing on Instagram, building up an email list, and building up relationships that can lead to further growth. So it's important to think about what you could do outside of YouTube to grow your platform so you have more people to direct to your channel. Now, there are certainly a lot of things you could also be doing in YouTube to experience the rapid growth. One of those things we talked a little bit about earlier is winning the YouTube algorithm. So when you're first starting out as a YouTuber, the first important thing to do is be consistent with the uploads, at least one video each week. And as you get better at one video each week, up it to 2 a week, 3 a week, 4 a week. Get as close to daily as possible. Spray out all the videos, put them all out, and see what sticks. Because as a creator, you have an idea of what's going to resonate with your audience, but you don't know what will resonate with your audience until you put all the content out there. And when you do have all this data, it tells you, for instance, my channel, a lot of people like to hear about growing on YouTube. A lot of people like to hear about self-publishing, getting more book sales. And I know that because of the data. And I did a bunch of dividend investing videos as well because people really liked those. And I do sprinkle those in from time to time. But right now, you guys, based on all the data I have, you like the YouTube and you like the self-publishing and anything related to building your platform. So you only get that information when you do put out more videos. And not only do you get more data, but you get more pieces of content to promote. So let's say you do a video a week and you publish on Tuesday. Now, you can promote the video on Tuesday when it comes out. You can promote it on Wednesday a little bit, Thursday a little bit, but there is a limit to how often you could promote the video you come out with next. You don't want to be telling people about the same video for an entire week every single day. So the way to counter that is by coming out with more videos. So the daily videos, you get data, you also get more pieces of content to promote on your email list, on your other social networks. And by promoting more pieces of content, it does give your channel a greater reach, and it does help you build up to that 1,000 subscriber milestone. Now, the next thing we have to talk about is promotion, because as you get closer to daily videos, you have more videos you could promote in a given week. But it's one thing to have the content, it's another thing to effectively promote it. So for all of your YouTube videos, create a checklist that you will use to promote your videos. So I know for me, I always send out an email to my audience about a video. I'll always email on opens the following day. I'm always on Twitter. I'm always in Facebook groups. I'm always on LinkedIn. I'm doing a lot of different things for each of my YouTube videos, and I do check them all off. And if you guys are looking for different ways you could promote your videos, you may be interested in my social media marketing checklist, which goes over a bunch of different ways you could promote all of your YouTube videos for maximum exposure. So it's not just you randomly hit 1,000 YouTube subscribers. There is a lot of planning that goes into not just the creation side, but also the promotion side. If you are only good at one of these two areas, then you're not going to hit the 1,000 subscribers. You have to be creating at least one video each week, get it as close to daily as possible, and then promote those videos very effectively. when you get closer to 1,000 subscribers and you see some momentum, it may make sense to not do the daily content. Like right now, I do 3 videos each week. I used to do daily, but I'd rather do 3 videos each week now because I do have the data now to say this is what my audience wants. And I am able to go deeper into certain videos now since I do 3 a week rather than 7 a week. So your YouTube strategy is going to constantly evolve as you go, and that's okay. You want to evolve because the data is going to give you different conclusions, and the data can change over time. One of the things that I've noticed for my YouTube channel is that the longer videos tend to do better, and not just on a view standpoint, but also on the watch time standpoint. If you want to get to 4,000 hours of watch time because 1,000 subscribers, that's your milestone, but you also got to hit the 4,000 hours of watch time. The longer videos help a lot more. For my videos that are around 15 minutes, people watch those videos for at least 5 minutes, and no one watches a 7-minute video, just the average retention rate, 5 minutes. The longer videos you create, the higher average watch time you are going to get for those videos, which is going to help you get to that 4,000 hours. It's also going to help you for when you do run ads because 10-minute videos, they get treated differently. You could run the mid-roll ads, which means there's more revenue potential. So it's good to do stuff like this now. Think about what you would look like as a full-time YouTuber. What types of videos would you have to crank out, and start getting into that flow now, rather than saying, oh, when I hit 100,000 subscribers, then I'll act like someone who has 100,000 subscribers. It happens before you hit the milestone. You have to act it out and be that type of person before you reach the 1,000 subscribers, the 100,000 subscribers, or any number it is that you are going after on YouTube. And when you're looking for things to do in between your publishing and your promoting, build relationships, whether it's commenting on other people's YouTube videos. And you can set up notifications so you get notified right away when a creator like me comes out with a new video, so you are one that first comments. It does help. It's not a strategy I like to rely on for the long term because that is very hit or miss, but obviously the more comments you make, the more likely you are to have that home run comment, and you can do very well with that. But it's also important to build relationships. Who are you going to collaborate with on YouTube? Anytime I do a collaboration video, I instantly get a massive surge in subscribers. And you can also look to build relationships in other ways. The possibilities are endless. I have 3 podcasts with the purpose, in part, of building relationships in addition to providing you guys with valuable content across all those different shows. Relationships are going to be the most vital thing you could do, whether it's for YouTube collaborations or building your email list, growing on Instagram, doing the outside of YouTube platform growth stuff that once you do that, you've got more people heading over to your videos. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more. Gently tap the like button to just help with the algorithm if you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys in the next one.